Good afternoon, children. Back to the session, English lecture. So everybody is eagerly waiting to complete the story and know the end of the story, what happens with Fatik at the end. So yesterday I had told you to read it. Have you read? Okay, I'll be asking you questions on what you have read and whatever meanings I have given you. Okay, before we conclude or before I give you instructions of before ending the story, I will first recap a short and then continue end with the story, and then I will be giving you the instructions. So we had stopped the story when Fatik was in high fever, lying on the bed, and uncle was sitting by his side with taking his hot burning hand in hand and was very much worried. The doctor was called, and doctor also was feeling bad, and he was feeling trouble to say that the situation was really critical. It was very bad condition was critical, and the doctor was also worried for the same. So he said, he told to the uncle Bishambar that his condition is critical, and Bishambar also felt for bad for that, and he told him that I have sent a message to your mother. As he comes that he has sent a message to his mother, when he is not in conscious, not in his senses, and he gets up, he looks here and there around the ceiling, around the room, and he couldn't find anybody, and the uncle realizes, he understands what is he waiting for. So he was waiting. Can you tell me what was he waiting for? Yes, he was waiting for his mother to come, and he couldn't see the mother. So what he did, he put himself again on the pillow and he took a deep breath. And when he was lying down, later on the next day, he started counting 3 fathoms, 4 fathoms. He could remember the people on the boat or the sailors calling out 3 fathoms, 4 fathoms. Children, fathom means it's a measuring the depth of the water, or it is a measurement of the water. So he always heard this, but now he could he could make out that how deep fathom he was, like a sea. It means the way he was crying was counted in fathoms. And when he was looking here and there, suddenly the lady enters in the room like a wind. You know what happens when you feel suffocation? There is lot of heat and the wind blows from your side. Suddenly it moves, and this is how she enters the house like a whirlwind. The word is given there to describe it, the whirlwind. So she enters the house as if the whirlwind, and she looks here and there. And when she was looking here and there, Bishambar saw her and she was running. So he, she was so excited to see Fatik or meet Fatik. And she cried, she entered moan, but she cried in a loud voice. And then uncle, Dada tried to control her agitations, her excitement, but she couldn't control herself, and she fell on the bed where Fatik was. There is a word used for that. When I will read, you will understand the word. Okay, so what happens when she falls on Fatik? It is like she wanted to hug him so badly that she was missing him. Flung is the word when she puts herself on the bed on Fatik, and she wanted to hug him, and she shouts, "Fatik, my darling Fatik." And when Fatik sees turns his face, and when he sees her, he puts his hand up and down. You know how children do. If imagine you meet your mother after long time and you wait for her and you're not well, and the way you are ill treated in the house, so see how you must be eagerly waiting to meet your mother. So he was in high fever. He could just put his hands up and down, and while hands moving up and down, he sees his hands up and down, and he looks at mother and he says, mother, holidays have come. Now what? He is waiting for the holidays. He is in that situation. He cries and he looks at the mother, and he wanted the mother to say something, but she again cried, "Fatigue, my darling, fatigue, my darling." Listening this, now he was okay that yes, my mother is really in front of me, and he asks mother, have the holidays come? It means he was not in his senses. He had fever, and so he is questioning that mother, holidays have come, because he thought mother will come only when holidays will be there. So this is how the story ends, and Fatik meets mother. And so did you like the story, children? We have completed the story here, and tomorrow I am going to ask you the several number of questions from pages which I have been sending you. Please read carefully, go through the words, meanings. I'll be asking you meanings. I will be asking you some short questions, and I will ask you to read the passage or the paragraph, and one will read, either he or some other child will have to express your views in your own words, what was in that particular paragraph which was read. So this will be a interacting session. We'll be talking to each other, and we have not yet met in person with each other. We know each other. We have seen in the school. We have been wishing each other good morning, good afternoon and all, but I have never heard you speaking in English and expressing your views. So tomorrow will be the session when I'll be asking you what we read in the paragraph, and you have to explain it. I'll be asking you several questions. Have you understood, children, what I want from you tomorrow? So prepare yourself for the same. Read the pages. I'm going to send you the pages in PDF form. You'll be reading it, and be ready for the meanings also. Hope everybody has written the meanings which I have been giving you while I am teaching, because always I have been intimating you, please take your pencils, please take your books, write the meanings. So tomorrow we'll continue with interaction. We'll talk with each other, and I will be waiting for you to listen the way you speak. Yes, and for making yourself perfect, you have to read and read. The more you read, the more you understand. The more you read, you can get the idea clear. Okay, children? So we'll meet tomorrow in our interacting section, where we'll be talking, and then we will be winding up with the lesson after knowing the complete lesson from your side by the answers you give me when I ask you the question. Okay, so we stop here. We'll continue tomorrow. So tomorrow will be the end of the homecoming. Is it okay? Okay. Bye, children. Please sanitize your hands. Be safe. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.